Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Ambunu leaves for hair growth. And Ambunu is actually an ancient herb from the country of Chad, Africa. I received mine from Chebe, USA, and it came with 2 packages. Now Ambunu can be used for washing your hair, detangling your hair, and also for maintaining your scalp health. You want to start off by heating up water. I heated up an 8 ounces of water, which is like about a cup of water, and I added 1 tablespoon to that hot cup of water. Now the amount that it came saying that you should add is actually 1 tablespoon to a liter of water, but because that's the way that they did it in Chad. But I feel like you have to do the amount for your consistency to give you the right consistency. Now Ambunu is naturally a slippery herb, and also it can be used as a natural conditioner. So when you touch it, it feels quite slippery. When I touched the consistency, I found that it wasn't the slip that I needed for my daughter's hair. So I added 1 more tablespoon, and then I added yet another tablespoon, and I found that with our measure of 8 ounces to 3 tablespoons, it worked well for our hair. My daughter's hair needed this consistency, so after 10 minutes of waiting, you can wait 20 minutes to get it much more thicker. I strained it. I started off with a strainer, so you can try a strainer, but I feel like what worked best for me to strain this was actually using this my funnel, my smart funnel. Details in the description area. And then I used the netting that came with the packaging for the product. I want to say a big shout out to Chebe USA for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. So you just strain the leaves out. Some people use it with the leaves still in there, but they find it quite difficult to remove the leaves in. But if you decide to use it with the leaves in there without straining, just make sure you wash your hair and rinse your hair thoroughly. As you can see, the Ambunu leaf made it very mucousy, and that is where the slip is going to come from. This is my daughter, and her hair is very dry, and it is time for us to detangle her hair. She has been wearing her hair in this kind of wash and go style. So I took the Ambunu, I put it in that bottle, and then I'm sectioning our hair into a small section. So while I'm doing this, let me just tell you a little bit more about Ambunu. So Ambunu is very effective as an antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory and emollient properties, so you can use it as a shampoo because it contains saponin, which gives it the ability to cleanse the hair thoroughly, and it also has a way of nourishing your hair and nourishing your scalp. As you see, it works as a great detangler because I'm using my detangling comb and I'm walking it through our hair, and you can see the slip is amazing. I would love to try this as a leave-in, so if you guys want me to show how I use this in my own hair, which is a different consistency or different hair type than my daughter, please comment below. As you see, the comb just glides through it and our curls are popping. So let's see what she thinks.
It's so soft and wow.
I know.
You can see my curls popping.
Yay. So this Ambunu leaf, after we've put in our hair, I just twisted up our hair and I continue walking it through the hair. One thing I noticed was that I also noticed our hair kind of looked a bit darker. So it was as if it just kind of darkened the hair, and our hair felt so soft. This smells like green tea, okay? It smells like green tea, very relaxing smell, and our hair loved it. So she's gonna wash her hair and she's gonna shampoo her hair, also using products from Chebe USA. So if you guys want to see a full wash day routine, you have to come back. The next video I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a full wash day routine. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.